Hello everyone, welcome to Russound Technical Support. This video is going to cover how you can update the MBX-Series and Extreme products right through WebConfig. There's two available options for this outside of automatic updates. Those two options being a web update and a file update. In order to do this, you'll need to log into the product, right into WebConfig. I happen to have an MBX preset up here that we're logged into now. And you're going to need to navigate to the admin tab and then to firmware update. And we have our two update methods available to us right here. As you can see, web update and file update. Now my MBX is not at the latest version now, so this is a great example to demonstrate web update. The blue bar for web update is clickable here, and you'll notice to the right side, it tells us we can update to the latest version. At the recording of this video, that version is 1.04.09. All we need to do is click Web Update. We'll get confirmation asking us if we want to perform this update, to which we'll just simply click OK. And the product will then fetch the update from our server and then apply it. The runtime for this will usually take about 2 to 4 minutes for an MBX series product. Those are very quick. The older generation Extreme products will take a little bit longer. Those usually run anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes total runtime. During that update process, make sure you don't power off the device. Let it go through the full course. It will reboot automatically, and the web browser page will even refresh automatically when it's done. So you can find a few other things to do in the meantime if you're programming another Russound product, and just come back and check on your system after. Alright, so that only took a few moments there. And as we can see, the browser page refreshed automatically. I can now verify that I have the latest version right from here, and if I go back to the admin tab, firmware update, it will show me that the software is up to date. So let's go and take a look at the file update method now. This is similar to web update, except instead of letting the product fetch the update from our server, we're going to need to manually serve the update to the product in particular. For that, we'll need to have the right file. Most firmware files will be available on the Russound dealer portal. Make sure you're logged into an RCI certified account. You must have RCI credentials, because when you go to your document category here, you will only see the Russound certified installer category, provided you've logged into your right account and that account is certified. So with that account selected, go ahead and click that. Firmware updates are available on here. Our Extreme products are available. As of the recording for this video, MBX firmware is not on the portal, but if you need this for any troubleshooting purposes, be sure to reach out to Russound Technical Support. We can send you that file. So you're going to download the file of choice, or maybe you already have it. We'll then click File Update. The product will ask us if we want to perform an update, and we'll simply click OK to confirm that. With an Extreme product, we'll get a Windows Explorer tab that will pull up, and we can simply select the file directly from your Windows browser. On an MBX series, the MBX will actually reboot into what's called update mode. So this will just take a mere moment, and as we can see here, the browser page will automatically refresh when the device is finished rebooting. So we'll just give it a moment to do that, and it is done. So now we have the option to choose a file or reboot the device. If you maybe by any chance went into this window accidentally, you can simply choose to reboot it from here. But for the purpose of updating the file, we are going to choose File. I have previously downloaded the file we're going to use here, so I'm going to select that and click Open. And this file will simply upload to the MBX. Go through a verification process, and you'll see some code run across the screen here. And we'll just sit and wait. During the update process, you will see on both MBX and Extreme products, the green status LED will rapidly flash. This will happen throughout the duration of the update. And as I mentioned earlier, MBX products are very quick to update. Total runtime is only about 2 to 5 minutes. An Extreme product is going to take a little bit longer at about 5 to 10 minutes, so just make sure that you wait for the product to go through that complete process and reboot itself, and don't remove it from power. That's it. 2 easy options to update firmware on these products. You'll likely find that WebUpdate and FileUpdate are going to be seldom used because these products are capable of doing automatic firmware updates. But if you choose to disable automatic update functionality and you want to manually update your components, this is a great way of doing it. Plus, you also have some troubleshooting options available by flashing older firmware versions. Hope you learned something from this video today, and thank you for joining us. Take care.